My name is Michael Nelson. I'm President and CEO of Elmer Chocolate. I've been with Elmer Chocolate for 16 years. Elmer Chocolate, we celebrate life's opportunities by providing value-oriented boxed chocolate, nationally and internationally. So Elmer Chocolate is now under third generation owner and operating. My brother and I, Rob, came to the company in different times. I've been here for roughly 16 years. Came into the company through purchasing. We're now providing product to major retailers throughout the United States, Canada, and Mexico, and some other international distribution. My initial reaction when I was approached by Next Energy, it's you have a lot of different people who pursue you for lighting and energy savings and things of that nature, and so we'd looked at projects like that in the past, but had never really been able to pursue them. So I was kind of wary with the level of incentives that he thought might be available. They really kind of seemed almost too good to be true. So we had roughly 70% of our total project cost paid through incentives. But the incentives were real, and I could get my hands around that. I didn't really have any worry about what we would actually save in the project. Once I was satisfied myself that the incentives were going to be there for our support, that was really my only reservation. In terms of the actual work being done and the integration that was being done, we handle food, so we're obviously we're very concerned about food safety. Roger's group was very careful, only worked in areas when they were given permission to do so, worked around our schedule on weekends and evenings, post-shift and things of that nature. So overall, really, we had very little, if any, impact to our actual production during installation. So I don't know about the specific solutions because Roger did all the hard work and presented lighting that I know we've tested actually, that we actually have a greater lumen than what we had than where we started. So we want to have a good, safe work environment, which starts with the lighting, making sure that people can see, in the area in which they're working. And I know that, I don't know the technical aspects of all the lighting that was used, but I know that we have a higher level of lighting in all areas where the installation occurred. So I see that as an upgrade. I've heard comments from almost everybody that I run into. Like, it's so much brighter in here. Oh my gosh, this place, we need to clean up in this area. I think lighting has a lot to do with mood. Certainly it has a lot to do with working safely, which is something that is close to our heart, both the safety of the people that work here as well as the safety of the food that we manufacture. So the lighting is an important part, and really what we received was an upgrade, not only in efficiency, but level of lighting. Next Energy replaced roughly 5,000 bulbs through our facility, which is roughly 450,000 square feet. I think, applying for incentives can be kind of a daunting task sometimes, but Next Energy made it very easy. Roger was there available for me to walk me through all the paperwork that I had to submit. So really for me, I just had to do what Roger had asked me to do, made sure I read all the documentation, but I really, it was made very easy through Next. My expectations were undoubtedly met. I would recommend Next Energy without hesitation.